Okay, 8th graders, lesson 2-3 is about multiplying and dividing with positive and negative numbers. When we went through this, starting in 6th grade, we started to learn these rules. If they have the same sign or an even number of signs, the answer is always positive. If it's an even number of negative signs, it's positive. Obviously, positive numbers times positive numbers is more positive numbers. If there's an odd number of negative signs, the answer is always negative. Remember, two negative signs cancel each other out. So if two of them cancel out and there's one left, the answer is going to be negative. If there's an even number, they'll both cancel out and it'll be positive. Make sense? Look at this one then. Negative 1 times any number is its opposite. So negative 1 times negative 5, or negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. Negative 1 times x is negative x. Okay? Negative 1 times negative 6 is positive 6. Negative 1 times negative x is positive x. Does that make sense? So it's always its opposite. Whatever you're starting with, if you multiply it by negative 1, it's opposite. Okay? You all have these notes? All right, let's go to some of the things we're doing today. Evaluating. So if you're given an expression like m times n, and you have to evaluate it with these values, then this means negative 4 in parentheses times 3. Now, we're going to use parentheses whenever you're substituting. All right? So put this in. Write this down as an example. And then it was negative 12. Now, in this one, we have a negative sign outside of the m. So that stays there. And then m is negative 4. And n is 3. You see the difference here? This negative sign doesn't mean negative 4. It means the opposite of negative 4. So it's 4 times 3, which is 12. Positive 12. Okay? So you've got to be careful where those negative signs are and when you're substituting. What if we have this one? By the way, this is also in your assignment. Number 13, number 14, and this is number 15. Number 15. 3m minus n. How would you substitute that and evaluate it?
3 times negative 4 minus 3. Right?
3 times negative 4?
Yeah.
Minus
3.
3. Put it in parentheses. Yep. Negative 12 plus negative 3, right? So that's negative 15.
Minus,
Number 16.
minus, oh, never mind, I thought it was
Wait, let's skip to number 16 is a lot like last one. Let's go to number
is the variable?
Let's go to number 23. This is 4n to the third power times m. What would we do here?
Yeah. 4 times 3 squared, or 3 to the third power, excuse me,
Yep.
times -4.
So then do the power, because the power comes before multiplication,
27.
order of operations, so 4 times 27
Times -4.
times -4.
27 times 4. I didn't calculate.
Yep. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So basically just PEMDAS.
Yep. And
Whoa.
substituting in with parentheses.
Your answer is -432.
Good.
And Miss Batsky did that all
When
the
did you
time.
get that?
I got a good memory.
Oh, okay, so you're not the super duper bad teacher that I thought you were, but you.
Oh, I still am, yeah, but that's,
Okay.
I also have a good memory.
Hey,